The Welding Cost Estimator Calculator helps you quickly determine the total cost of any welding project based on your specific parameters. Let's walk through each input field. First, select your joint type from the drop-down menu. You can choose butt joint, fillet joint, groove joint, or lap joint. For this demo, I'm using butt joint. Next, select your welding process. Options include GMAW MIG, SEMAW stick, GTAW TIG, or SAW submerged arc. I'm selecting GMAW MIG. Then enter your weld length in feet, your weld size in inches, your labor rate in dollars per hour, and your material cost in dollars per pound. For this example, I'm entering 10 feet for weld length, 0.25 inches for weld size, $35 per hour for labor rate, and $3.50 per pound for material cost. After clicking Calculate Welding Cost, here are the results. Material cost is $11.18, labor hours equal 1.1 hours, and total cost comes to $48.77. The calculator also provides additional details: deposition rate at 8.5 pounds per hour, weld metal weight at 3.19 pounds, and labor cost at $37.59. This tool eliminates manual calculations and ensures accurate project estimates. Find the link in the description below.